Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews. How to fix Roku TV overheating issues. Is your Roku TV showing a thermal warning or overheating after long use? Don't worry, this video walks you through easy troubleshooting steps to cool down your Roku TV and prevent future overheating. Learn how to improve ventilation, adjust settings, and keep your TV running smoothly without damage. Stay tuned for quick and effective fixes to protect your Roku device. Immediate unplug and cool down. If you see that your device is overheating message or a solid red light on your Roku TV, unplug it from the power outlet right away. Disconnect all cables, including HDMI if applicable, and let it cool to room temperature for at least 10-20 minutes. This prevents hardware damage and resets minor thermal glitches. Avoid touching hot surfaces to prevent burns. Power cycle the device. After cooling, plug the Roku TV back in and power it on. If the warning persists, repeat the unplug process up to 3 times, waiting 10 minutes each cycle. This simple reboot clears temporary software bugs or power inconsistencies that can trigger false overheating alerts. Ensure proper ventilation. Place your Roku TV in an open area with at least 4-6 inches of clearance on all sides, especially the back and top vents. Avoid enclosed cabinets, shelves, or stacking with other electronics like soundbars that block airflow. Poor ventilation traps heat from the TV's internal processor, leading to thermal warnings. Clean dust from vents. Dust buildup clogs vents and reduces cooling efficiency. Use compressed air, canned air, or a soft brush to gently clean the back vents and ports every 1-2 months. Power off and unplug the TV first. For built-in Roku TVs, focus on external grills. Never open the casing yourself to avoid voiding the warranty. Use a surge protector. Power fluctuations can cause unstable voltage, forcing the TV's components to work harder and generate excess heat. Connect your Roku TV to a quality surge protector or UPS, an uninterruptible power supply, rated for at least 1000 joules. This stabilizes input and prevents spikes that mimic overheating. Check and upgrade power supply. Ensure you're using the original Roku power adapter plugged directly into a wall outlet, not a TV USB port, which may provide insufficient or unstable power. Faulty adapters can underpower the device, causing it to overcompensate and heat up. Test with a replacement if available. Update Roku software. Outdated firmware can cause inefficient processing, leading to higher temperatures. Go to Settings in GT, System in GT, System Update in GT. Check now on your Roku TV. Install any available updates, then restart. Roku pushes thermal optimizations in updates to improve heat management. Activate sleep timer. Roku TVs are designed to stay powered on 24/7 but enter sleep mode when idle. Set a sleep timer via Settings in GT, System in GT, Power in GT, Sleep timer, e.g., 2-4 hours, to fully power down during non-use. This reduces constant low-level heat buildup, especially overnight. Improve room environment. Keep ambient room temperature below 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees Celsius, and humidity under 80%. Avoid direct sunlight, heaters, or AC vents blowing hot air on the TV. Use a small desk fan aimed at the back for extra circulation. If issues persist, position it safely to avoid dust kickup. Run temperature check and contact support. Visit go.roku.com/tempcheck for Roku's official diagnostic tool to monitor internal temps. If warnings continue after these steps, it may indicate a hardware fault. Contact Roku support via chat, phone, or initiate a warranty replacement. Most TVs covered 1 year. For built-in Roku TVs, e.g., TCL, check manufacturer support too. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Thank you for watching.